There should not be a death tax. There should not be an inheritance tax at all. It is disgusting. Like the fact that there is even one, whoever proposed those initially, it's ridiculous because number one, if you are super rich, what you do, you set up a trust, you have lawyers and you don't pay it anyway, right? So it only hits like the middle income people that have tried to do better, tried to leave a house for their kids or whatever it is to give them a little bump in life. It's abhorrent. What they should do is say, do you know what? Let's say if the tax rate, I think tax rate in the UK is what, 30%, something like that. I'm not entirely sure. But what you should do is just go, okay, well, let's just put that tax on top and take it off now. They'd be like, what are you doing? Because that's what it is. They're taxing you on shit that you've already bought. It's another tax. So your effective tax rate is a lot higher. That should not happen. Same with property taxes. You shouldn't have to pay property taxes. You shouldn't. I know people go, well, how are you going to pay for the police? Well, we'll figure it out. Put a little bit more on the sales tax. I mean, imagine you buy your house and you're still having to pay $2,000 a month property tax, even you've bought your house. No, imagine that $2,000 you could invest into a business. You could, go out and buy stuff. That all drives the economy. If there's a little bit more of a consumption tax on there to pay for it, wouldn't you much rather go and buy a flat screen television, have a flat screen television, get another extra like X amount of percentage on the cost of that flat screen rather than pay $2,000 a month property tax? Because you know what? 1 month you might not want that flat screen television and you don't pay it.